Quick one, information coming through to say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ex-player, which is Rocky Dramina free club, 1 week crying number. When your club, as I say, on your back, could Kasubum. Yes, club, a new Ghana Premier League side, a fair no qualified to the Ghana Premier League 2024-2025 season. Na club a club, me the one sembe bro, but. Quick one, Rocky Dramina, the contract termination was mutual. Yinti and Shannon, so and just a Kotoko the China contracts mo, and as on the phrase, a mutual, as a Budicas a mutual, you mean agree, and I was a pebble. My friend Chichibu, Mumma. Winning, there is challenges. South Bend penny for now for the past 1 week. Me dem penny for no be a dim come challenges in the door. So Kakotoko Nyanka 20 players base and go be a contract mutually, but. Loan semono Kotoko na big sa Kotoko decide say or the player ne bema loan na team na okobo loan wo ho no ska Kotoko etuama player no team ni enya emu fa kraya na eto da bia heading. That's the problem, that's the big problem. Obi to say young apostle say enka Kotoko betimi de Rocky Dramina for instance amomo nanka wakobo loan, but I tell you say sika oje na nyowa no ebia na team no intimi enti age say bia team na aka say no me gi bibia na me player na ko new terms na ya run it. Say team a wa join a young apostle not too long ago who say omo logo no eda o screen no so no eho na Rocky Dramina ene omedi kasubo enti ebe ho Rocky Dramina featuring the young stars of young apostles. Na probably omune Kotoko bar ebehu se obe feature ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko and former Kotoko players the omusia Kotoko omobo, and we are all anticipating for this particular day. Yes, so this is the information and opeya abehwima na was say but there are some couple of players manyane ntia se ebi ko ha ebi ba ha ni nyina no ehonsem in the course of the day no me break it into stories na me the amount Super 24 TV no. So Eric Sergi Zeze wanya club the North Africa. It is yet to be officially confirmed, but me de hu dwuma na me de abro, but Kumasi Asante Kotoko players are sign on so many wo ho enya to ma this week Kotoko say obesha ase a confirm me announce player be a obesign, because Kotoko next game just around the corner in less than 2 weeks against Accra Folk in the Democracy Cup or Accra Sports Stadium. Into details and more, everybody see ya.